I have a Turf Tiger scag model STT61A-27KA Kawasaki FD750 serial number 6,762,545. The problem with it is that while working the machine the battery keeps getting dead. I don't think it's holding charge or what is causing the battery to go dead. Can you help me? I would like to know what part is bad and where I can purchase that part.
Hello. The system uses an alternator located under the flywheel, a regulator and a battery. AC voltage is produced by the alternator and sent to the regulator, which converts it to DC and regulates it to charge the battery and power any lights. A faulty battery can cause the problem, so verify the battery is good and doesn't have a shorted cell. A load test can be done at most stores that sell batteries, and they usually don't charge you to test it. For the other tests you will need a multimeter. Set your meter to DC volts and connect the leads to the battery. You should show about 12.6 volts. Start and run the motor at full throttle. You should see 14 to 15 volts. If you have that, the charging system is working. If the battery voltage remains at 12.6 or even goes down, the charging system is not working. Check your connections at the voltage regulator to make sure they are good. If that isn't the problem, unplug the regulator and switch your meter to ohms. Test from one black wire to the other. You should show 0.11 to 0.18 ohms. Now switch the meter to AC volts and start the motor. Test from black to black. You should have about 15 volts at idle and 20 to 30 when you go to full throttle. If your own test fails and you have no AC voltage, your alternator is faulty. You will need to remove the engine cover and pull the flywheel. The flywheel does need a special puller so it isn't damaged. The alternator windings are under the flywheel. Remove and replace it and put the flywheel back on. If you do not have a part source, you can order the parts online. This company sells Kawasaki motor parts and will have the alternator, also called a stator. http://www.mymauerparts.com/ let me know if you need any additional help. Doug.
Plus thank.
Let me know if you need more help. Doug.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.